you're watching this video, it means everything worked out in the end. I got everywhere on time, I got ready on time, things turned out okay. So this is one of these videos that I almost didn't make because this is just real life right now. It's one of those days where a lot is going on and I really don't have much time, but I have a wedding in like a few hours. I really need to get ready for that. Like I have a doctor's appointment in about 30 minutes and I'm not really sure what to do because I needed to wash my hair. I need to style it, I need to dry it and then put it in a hairstyle or something. And I thought, do you know what? This is a real life hair situation where I need to figure something out. And I should probably film this because that is what my channel is about. I've got my coffee, that is the main thing. So yeah, you might see a different side of me in this video because I'm feeling pretty anxious right now. I'm not gonna do my makeup before I go to the doctor's because there won't be enough time. I've had a lot going on, not all bad, there's just a lot going on. I've not been able to be as consistent with my YouTube uploads. Sometimes things pop up that need to be prioritized. It makes me so gutted because this is like my passion. Like I love doing YouTube, but sometimes like other work related things come up that I have to do. And sometimes YouTube has to take a back seat, but I always try to catch up. But recently it's been a little bit difficult. And there are just situations that I want to film. And after the situations happened, I always think like I could have filmed that. Like you guys would have really benefited from seeing that side of me or seeing that scenario with my hair, and this is one of them. So I caught it in the moment and thought, do you know what, I have exactly 15 minutes to style my hair now. This is going to be my quickest ever styling routine. I feel like in this scenario you just go with the products that work. You don't try new products because you don't have time for trial and error. I've gone with some absolute staples. The Superdrug style heat protectant spray. I'm kind of just prepping the hair with this. My hair's a bit damp, it needs to be wetter, but I actually don't have time. That was the Aussie Work That Curl cream. There was no other way for me to be more organised today. Well, actually I could have washed my hair yesterday. More of the cream. I could have got up earlier as well, but I was really tired. And I chose to stay in like bed for an extra 30 minutes and I'm kind of glad I did. Like I think I needed to do that. Like I've been staying up really late recently, like work projects. Editing takes me a really long time. I'm actually really quick at it. It still takes so long. If it's a video where I'm talking for a very long time, I have to edit it to make sure it's concise because if not, it won't be watched if I'm just rambling, you know? And in real life, you ramble and you say things that aren't important or necessary to be kept in a video about a specific topic. Like now I'm rambling, but this is a different kind of video. The Nutriplenish Curl Jelly through, probably need more. Okay, what's the time? It's 8:17. I need to leave the house at past, so my hair has to be styled by then. Oh my God, that's only enough for one side. Okay, I put a bit more on the other side. By the way, I'm so sorry about the lighting. I know it's not ideal. I actually don't have time to set it up. And I think you can see what I'm doing. It's just not ideal. I'm gonna rake all my hair forward. Well, you'll see what I'm doing. I'm adding a bit more water because it's a bit too damp. Gonna use more gel. I have 8 minutes. I'm just gonna like pick out some pieces to clump if they look a bit frizzy. Maybe I'll do the back. The other reason I'm panicking is because we need to travel to this wedding. We're gonna have to leave soon after I get back from the doctor's and I don't know how long I'm gonna be in there. That's the only appointment I could get. Okay, I'm just gonna put this silk scarf around my neck for the remaining 5 minutes. So the plan is I'm gonna wait for this to dry on the go. It will have to dry at the doctor's and on my way back when I walk back, and then I need to do my makeup. I know what dress I'm wearing. I'm gonna assess my hair and see if I should do a hairstyle, have it down. The dress that I have, it kind of goes with a hairstyle. I don't know if I'll have time. I also have a lot of work to do. Obviously this is technically work, projects that I need to finish and submit, and I'm feeling very grateful at the moment though, because I did recently get a management company, so I'm actually being managed now by someone as part of a company to help me with brand collaborations, help me with some organizational stuff, just have a bit more support, and they're so good. Like, I love them already, really like the team there. I have so many ideas and there's so many things I want to launch and do for you guys, but I need to make sure I have the time to do that, so I need to need to start maybe hiring. Like, I think I might get a video editor soon. Like, in an ideal world, I would love to post twice a week on this channel. Like, there's so much I want to film. Like, there's constantly things where I'm like, oh, I'd love to do a YouTube video on that. Like, they would love to see that process. It just takes a bit too long to be able to do that. There was a phase where I was doing 2 uploads a week, but I really enjoyed it. But then I did get to a point where I was like, this is a lot. What's the time? Okay, we've got 4 minutes. I actually filmed a really cool little mini series for Instagram and TikTok. By the time you're watching this, it will probably be live, but I'm talking about my curl essential bag. It's so cute. It's so pink, and that was unintended, but it's just so cute and girly. Basically the bag that I bring everywhere. So like, this goes in my handbag. This is actually really small. I don't know how you can see on camera, like, compared to my hand. And it has everything you need in it. Flyaway tamer, curl cream, gel, bobby pins, grips, a banana clip, scrunchie, hair ties. And then when you travel, you just put this in your bag, and then it has another holder that it goes in where you can fit in a shampoo and conditioner. I did a part 1 of going to source the items, and then part 2 of packing the bag. But it's all on Instagram, so go and check that out. It's 8:30, I have to go. I am back now. It's been exactly an hour. This is my hair. It's dried a lot. It's actually looking okay. I think it looks quite good. Ends are a little bit stringy, but that does happen when I do that kind of styling. I'm just gonna grip my hair out of the way so I can do my makeup. I really don't have too long. I feel a little bit more calm now that I've been to that appointment. Okay, we are here. We don't have much longer, so I'm not really sure what I'm gonna do with my hair. Oh, I've got my little bag I was talking about. The curls came out a little bit stringy. Sorry?
The hair drying on that.
Yeah. I think I'm gonna do a half up, half down. Still like the curls, but I'm not happy with them enough to have them down. How long have we got? I've just sprayed some water and put a bit of my curl jelly from my essentials bag just to give it a little refresh. The ends are a little bit stringy, but I think it looks more kind of effortless maybe. A bit more gel for the sides. I'm just scrunching the rest into my hair. So I've got these starfish earrings, or these. I think we're gonna go with the starfish. It took us ages to check in. We're a bit delayed, but it's all good. Hair's turned out fine. Ooh, my light fell. This is probably the most realistic vlog of me you're gonna get. Okay, I learned a really good hack to put a bracelet on by yourself. I learned this from a TikTok. A grip, like a bobby pin, and then you hold it like that, and then you can easily hook it. Did it? I did it. This goes. I guess everything does work out in the end, but let this be a little lesson to be a bit more organised than me and maybe style your hair the night before an event. You'll be pleased to know my hair did hold up all night long and I was so happy with it in the end. So you really can style your hair in 15 minutes and you can also put it in a hairstyle in under 10. As chaotic as this was, I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. Please like the video and subscribe if you want to see more hair content from me, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Bye.